2, 1. Ow, my nail. Have a great day. I just woke up. You guys know it's time for our morning fart. Happy fartmas. I'm not doing that. Anyways, I have so much gas to let out. I found myself to be majorly disgusting. Excuse me, I am nasty and foul. Excuse me while I fart all over my breakfast stuff. For those wondering, and I know you are, I feel like I fart longer in the morning. Go. Can you smell it? How does that smell? Oh, ew, why does it smell like that? You guys, tell me what that fart smells like, because, ew.
Plus, Jessie and I just broke up and she's so jealous of me. I'd rather keep this pure. It's so special.
Oh. Long ass day, look at me, but I had to let this out for you guys. Just stepped in the door. Ugh. My god, I look insane. I literally have been holding that in for hella fucking long. I'm trying to turn the phone off with my foot, but it's not very easy. By the way, that fart stinks like fucking ass. I need to let out more, but I'm about to pee my pants. Oh, I can't stop ripping ass. So these aren't stretch marks, it's from my fucking sweats earlier. Whew. Come on, just pull it. Pull it. Oh yeah, like that. Pull it. Don't pull so hard next time. That stinks. I can't believe I pooted so loud. I've literally been farting all day. This is like the third video that I'm about to fucking make. It's annoying. was just fucking recording, but I wasn't, but. I told you they're all little lately. Also, hunching my back helps it come out. Good morning. I have been wearing these pajamas and videos for days, but I am gassy in the morning, so.